Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 10th class mathematics chapter number 8th chapter similar triangles. Today we will learn the exercise 8.1 in Telangana state book page number 206 and 208. Today we will learn the remaining problems 7, 8, 9. 3 problems today we will learn it in this session. Okay, are you understood of the previous class? 1 to 6 problems it's over in the same exercise. Are you any doubts? No doubts. Shall I start with the today class? Are you okay? Yeah, first 7th problem. Look at this notebook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. In the adjacent figure, A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel PQ and AC parallel PR, so that BC parallel QR. Okay, this is the question. First I will explain this question. What is given, what is asked. Look at this figure, Gagan say. One figure is give. This is the adjacent figure. One figure is give. I will explain this figure, Gagan say. Here, what is given? A, B, C are points on the OP, OQ and OR respectively. Okay. Next, what is parallel is give? Two sides are parallel. What's the parallel? AB. AB is parallel to here PQ. And here is also AC is parallel to PR. Already symbols is give in our figure. So that's why these two sides are parallel. Given. And next, show that BC parallel QR. Here BC parallel QR. We have to show that this one. What you have to show that? Are you understood?
Yes.
These two sides are parallel. That is the question explanation. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. This is the given. In the adjacent figure, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel PQ and AC parallel PR. Required to show that BC parallel QR. We have to show that these two sides are parallel. Let the solution for this problem. Okay. Let us start with the proof. First, look at this figure, Gagan side. Here, in figure, let us take two triangles. Here, one by one triangle. What's the triangles? POQ. And next triangle is POR. Okay, let us take these two triangles. First take the first triangle, this triangle, POQ. In triangle POQ, what sides are is parallel is give from this figure? These two sides. What's the sides? Here AB is parallel to PQ is give. AB is parallel to PQ. Okay. Yeah, these two sides are is parallel. So by using the BPT, what about the two ratios are equal? Do you know the BPT? We know that. What's the BPT? A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is the BPT only. So here, what about the two ratios are equal here? These two ratios are equal. Here this is the A point, Gagan side, but here A point is not declared only. So that's why this is the A point. A, B, C here. Okay, this is the small triangle. This is the big triangle only. So here these two sides are is parallel in this triangle. A triangle of POQ. Okay, in this triangle, these two sides are is parallel is give. So what about the two ratios are equal by using the BPT? What's the are equal here? OA by AP equal to OB by BQ. These two ratios are equal only. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, OA by AP equal to, what's the another one? OB by BQ. Why it is equal these two sides? What's the reason? Since by using BPT. Do you know the BPT? We know that. So it's over. And next, take this triangle. What's the triangle? Another triangle. POR triangle. Okay. In triangle POR. In triangle POR, what two sides are is parallel? AC is parallel to PR is given. Okay, AC is parallel to PR. And what about the two ratios are equal? Since by using the BPT, what's the ratios are equal? OA by AP equal to OC by CR. OA by AP equal to, what about the other side? Other side is OC by CR. Okay, these two ratios are equal. So, since by using, what's the reason? BPT. Since by using BPT, these two ratios are equal. So, first these two ratios, let it be taken as equation number 1. And this is, let it be taken equation number 2. So, from equation number 192, we will get it. What we will get it? Here, look here, first equation and second equation. In first equation and second equation, LHS are equal. So, RHS is also equal. Okay, what's the RHS? Here, OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Okay, are clear? These two ratios are equal. Proved. So, look at this figure. Be carefully. Okay. In this figure, what's two sides ratios are equal? Here, OB by BQ. So, here to here, this side equal to, and here OC by CR. So, this side, both sides ratios are equal. Okay. What about the third side? By using converse BPT theorem. Do you know the converse BPT theorem? We know that. What's the theorem? The line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Then the line parallel to the other side. We know that only. So, here these two sides are parallel. Why it is parallel, these two sides? Since by using the converse BPT theorem. Okay, are clear? These two sides ratios are parallel. You already proved here. So, what about these two sides are? What about these two sides? These two sides are parallel. What's the reason? Since by converse BPT theorem. Okay, are clear? So, here BC parallel to QR. Why it is? These two are is parallel. What's the reason? Converse BPT theorem. Okay, are clear? Here, what's the line divides here? Parallel at BC. BC divides. Here, BC divides into two sides of a triangle. What's the sides here? OQ and OR. These two sides of a triangle. What's the triangle name? PQR. Okay. BC line, BC parallel line divides. Here BC line divides into two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Okay, are clear? So, hence it is proved. Is it proved? What we have to prove in this given question? What we have to show so that here BC parallel to QR. So, is it showed here? Yes, proved only. See, BC is parallel to QR. So, hence it is proved only. Okay, are clear? This problem solution is over, and next we will move on to the next question. Next, what's the next question? 8th question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O, so that AO by BO equals CO by DO. This is the question. First, I will explain this question. What is given? What is asked? ABCD is a trapezium. In trapezium, AB parallel to DC. In trapezium, what about the sides? Sides is one side of parallel sides. One side is parallel only. We know that only. So, and it's a diagonal. What about the diagonal? Diagonals are intersect each others at point O point. And show that. We have to show that AO by BO equals CO by DO. What we have to show that? Are you understood? These two ratios are equal. Given. This is the given. This is required to show. Show that these two ratios are equal. We have to show that this one. Let the solution start. And next, proof. Here proof. In this question, first draw the trapezium. Okay. First draw the trapezium. This is the trapezium. What's the trapezium name? Trapezium name is A, B, C, D. Trapezium. And what about the sides in trapezium? We know that one pair of opposite sides are parallel in trapezium. So that's why this and this side is parallel. What about the diagonals in trapezium? We know that already. We know that diagonals are intersect to each other at point O point. Okay. Here this is the O. These two diagonals are intersect at point O. So what we have to show that here? Here AO by BO. Okay, AO by BO equal to CO by DO. These two ratios are, we have to show that. Okay, this is the question. Are you clear? Are you understood? Proof. Here proof trapezium ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium. In trapezium, what is given? Here one side. In trapezium, one side of these two sides are parallel. AC is parallel. AB is parallel to DC. One pair of opposite sides are parallel in trapezium. So that's why already given in given question only. So what's the parallel is given? AB is parallel to DC. Okay, are clear? And next, diagonals. What's the diagonals? Here in trapezium, the diagonals. What's the diagonals? AC and BD diagonals. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O point. Okay, these two diagonals are intersect at point O point only. And next, in this figure, what we needed? One construction we needed. What's the construction? In this figure, what we needed? One construction we needed. What's the construction? First, draw a line, EF line, passing through here, O. What's we construction are needed in this figure? Draw a line parallel to AB. Okay. Draw a line, EF line, passing through here, O. That line is parallel to AB. Okay, are clear? And this line is also parallel. Here, what about the three sides are is parallel, and DC is parallel to ear is also. EO is also parallel. And what about this? This side is also parallel. Okay. These all are the three sides are parallel only. Why it is parallel? Are you understood? Draw a line parallel through only. Draw a line passing through O and then parallel to AB1. So that's why these all are equal. What's construction? One construction we needed. What construction we needed here? Draw a line. Draw a line. EF line. Passing through O and parallel to AB. Okay, are clear? This construction are we needed only. And next, in this figure, let us take two triangles. Let us take, what's the triangles? ADC, one triangle. Next ADB. These two triangles. Let us take it. Okay, one by one triangle. Let us take it only from this figure. First triangle. In triangle ADC. Okay, in triangle ADC, what two sides are is parallel from this figure? Here EO is parallel to DC. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? EO is parallel to DC. So in triangle, one side is parallel. What about the two ratios? Since by using the BPT, do you know the BPT? We know that. What's the BPT? BPT is a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, divides the other two sides in the same ratio. We know that only. So here these two are parallel in this triangle. What about the sides are equal? Here these two sides. What's the sides? AO by OC. Next AE by DE. These two sides are equal. So here AE by DE equal to, what's the? AO by CO. This is, let it be taken as equation number 1 since by using BPT. Okay, are clear? From BPT these two sides ratios are equal. So this is equation number 1. It's over. And next, let us take another triangle. What's the triangle? ADB triangle. Let us take ADB triangle. In this triangle, what's the two sides are parallel? Here ADB. This side and this side, both sides are parallel. What's the sides? Here EO is parallel to AB. Here construction, what's the construction? Here to here, draw a one line, EO line. Otherwise EF also. EF also draw here. Will to draw the one line. Okay. Otherwise our EO it's enough only. Okay, these two sides are is parallel in this triangle. And next, what about the ratios are equal? Since by using the BPT, these two sides ratios are equal. What's the sides? AE by DE equal to here BO by DO. Okay. Here AE by DE equal to, what's the? BO by DO. Let it be take as equation number 2. This is okay. Next, since by using BPT, these two ratios are equal. That is the reason. Are you understood? Next, from equation number 1 and 2, we get what we will get it from equation number 1 and 2. Look here. Equation number 1 and 2. In 1 and 2, LHS are equal. Both LHS are equal. So what about the RHS? RHS are also equal. So from equation number 1, what's the RHS? AO by CO equal to second equation. What's the RHS? BO by DO. Are clear? These two sides ratios are equal. Equal is proved only. Okay. So look here, figure. What's the two ratios are equal? Here AO. AO equal to O. So CO. These two sides ratios are equal. And what about the other ratio? BO. BO equal to this side. Okay, are clear? These two ratio sides are equal only. So here what we want show that here, what we want show that here, AO by BO equals CO by DO. Here AO by CO equal to CO by DO. But what we will get here? AO by CO equal BO by DO. But in given question, we have to show that this one only, AO by BO equals CO by DO. So here AO by BO, after equal BO transfer to before equal, this side only. So here multiplication before equal becomes to the division only. And next here CO before equal division, CO after equal transfer to this side, after equal this side multiplication only. So CO by DO. Okay, are clear? Are you understood?
Yes.
So hence it is proved. Is it proved? Yes, it is proved. So it is proved. Are you clear? Are you understood? Very simple this problem solution. And next we'll move on to the next question.